What if I tell you that there's a geodome you can stay right by the Grand Canyon with 5-star bed, private designer baths, and has a view of the galaxy.
This happened last night around 10:30.
The drive here is a full day. Well, I really don't have a business here in Arizona, but my last picture with my mom was 6 years ago in Joshua Tree, so I know exactly who to bring.
Exit 165 onto State Route 64 toward Grand Canyon.
Woohoo! We've arrived our destination. Let's go in. Hi! Oh, that's so cute.
Thank you.
What does that mean?
It's just to remember that your time is limited.
Oh wow, we didn't know we're gonna have 2 rooms. Hi! What's this?
Food truck. This is where we eat all your food.
Oh, thank you for taking care of our food.
You're welcome.
Oh, the charcuterie board! Good morning, we're here in Williams, Arizona, 30 minutes away from Grand Canyon. And we're having our brekkie now near our geodome. What are you having there? We have one more stop before getting back to Phoenix.
Grand Canyon Deer Farm. Yeah, you walk up. I mean, they're all right up there next to you. They're so cute.
Hello, dear!
Okay.
Oh my god, you're so cute. No epic picture was taken here, except this one. We also asked where to go for dinner from one of their staff. Ooh, they also sell the Grand Canyon beer here. Kevin recommended the Yippee Steakhouse. We'll just have to try it out later. We're here for 2 nights, and guess what? We're staying in 2 geodomes. I think you need to see the first one right now. This is Malik. He helped us with our luggages.
Malik was just walking home from work when he was hit by a car.
And this is also his second life. Let's go check our first dome. Come on in. We are in the Galaxy room of Sky Dome. And first, let's check the loo. It's pretty simple and you have everything you need. I mean, everything you need. Refrigerator right here. Nothing here. Check it out. It's a really big space and your rain shower is here. Love the scent but hard to get off the container. Towels are ready. It's time to check out the main room. Shall we do a bed test? It smells really, really good. Is it comfortable? Yes, it's very comfortable. I like it. Since the theme is Galaxy, I do feel like I'm in a spaceship. We have a bunch of snacks here and they even gave us champagne. As a kid, I'm not allowed to have candies, but I'm allowed to have chips. You even have a swing here, which I really appreciate. Actually, I'm having so much fun. Do you think this is sturdy? There are 2 bunk beds here. I don't feel comfortable. This is so cool, but they don't work and that's okay. I really do feel like I'm on a spaceship right now. I brought a snow globe / lamp. Let's see what's here up the stairs. I can't believe you can fit 3 more here. The place is well lit because of this. Overall, I counted 7 guests are okay to be here. It's transparent, so put your clothes on. If you think our first geodome is cool, wait till you get to see our second geodome. That's the one. Let's go check out their other amenities. This is where the s'mores are at. Okay. This is the coolest dining table I've ever seen in my life. It's time to eat! One, 2, 3. My move! My queen!
It kills to be halfway alive since I had you.
Doesn't know how to play chess. Oh my god! Their coordination passes the TikTok vibes. Oh! Does this feel like sand?
Yes.
Ooh, good one. Nice. I love this set. Oh! We're gonna try this bike. Dude. Okay, so you didn't really come here for the Grand Canyon.
It's more for the kids.
You came here for Clear Sky Resorts. Yeah. Oh, they also showed me the other place they went to.
You are up in the mountain.
And you see the flag, it goes back.
First, you go up all the way up to the mountain, to the top, and you see the American flag. It will go down, but you
have control.
the speed.
If
You want to go really fast all the way down, or you just want to slow down and go to the right.
What did you guys do?
fast. With her, you're really fast.
10:30 exactly
Yeah.
p.m.
Wait, I can't believe it.
Yeah, it's weird. We didn't know what it was.
This is magical. But it's time for Grand Canyon. And we have slightly improved in this picture. Then we saw a staff walking outside, so we picked him up. You walk an hour and a half every day, one way.
Well, I do 2 shifts, so morning, then back home, then later tonight back here, and then afterwards. So 4 times a day.
Uh-oh, it started raining. I hope it's gonna be a nice sunny day today. We need to get a pass first and we chose to go to the visitor center. But mom wants to shop first. And I needed a sticker for my luggage. I love this. My official Grand Canyon earrings. I'm loving the dress. I'd like to buy America Beautiful, please. This thing is beautiful.
How are you today?
Great. We just got it. it's so
I
pretty.
need you to sign it and I need
Okay.
your ID as well.
Okay. You can have 2 users, right?
No, only one.
Only one?
Yes.
It's
So
okay.
it's attached to one person. As long as that person's in the vehicle, everyone gets in.
This drive has one of the coolest places I've ever seen in my life. Hopi is one of my goals. I hope to see this one time in my life, and that's the Navajo. We've been here, we've met them in the Antelope Canyon and our friend a while ago. The Grand Canyon is widely recognized as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. We're at the south rim of Grand Canyon. So this is where everyone goes to take their photos, and you can have the view of the Grand Canyon over there.
Oh, they buy? Oh my God, no. Okay. They have to learn how to live in the wild by themselves.
It's on the far right. There. The squirrels here are not afraid of humans. Watch your food.
Wow, that is a really good camera.
I'm done driving. Let's ride the shuttle. This one goes to the village, right?
Yes.
How about the green bus?
There is no green.
Oh, everything is blue. It's just colored green.
Yeah. It's the blue route.
It's clean. Hi, Mom. The wait for a shuttle is 10 to 15 minutes. This is the first stop. This is the Market Plaza. They have a deli here.
Meals just go to the Grand Canyon website where you can search for meal ride.
This would be fun to do next time. A ticket costs $45 to $120 round trip. Here's a secret I want to share with you. One of the best photos you can take for the Grand Canyon. I do feel the elevation. This is one of the coolest points you can see here at the south rim of Grand Canyon.
The astronomy volunteer.
It's
Tonight
clear.
we'll have about 6 or 7 telescopes
Oh,
set up behind the visitor center. It's free here at the Grand Canyon.
no way.
You can even have my name.
Dave. Dave's favorite is the globular cluster. We got a NASA sticker from Dave.
Thank you, Dave.
This is what we're looking at. And here it is, the real one. This is the Hopi house. What can we find here? Danger, low door.
A beautiful one.
Oh, yeah. You're right, it's amazing. This is really my jam. Look at this. Made in USA. Actually, I'm looking for this jewelry. Did you buy it inside? It's
Yes.
inside? Okay.
In the little restaurant area.
Okay. Does it have a nice view?
It does.
Oh, okay.
There's tables that's looking out.
I bet you're having a nice day. This is the El Tovar Hotel. It's about $800 per night stay here. This place is packed. Cool door. What's inside of this one? That one has a heart. So cute. Oh, so pretty. Grand Canyon has a lot of shops. Lookout Studio. I could be wrong. Is this another shop with a cool door? Navajo Storyteller. Came from there and now we have arrived here. How cozy is that?
Super cozy.
Good. What flavors are those?
Chocolate and mint chocolate chip. They also have raspberry, sorbet, and vanilla.
Okay. A single scoop is $5.29 and then a double scoop is $10. It's time to go back to our amazing dome. They do have really good food there, but we wanted to try something outside. This is Kevin's recommendation. Open. This is cool. Wow, look at this T-bone steak. It's huge. And then you have the salad. My mom and I had a feast. We've been craving for steak. We wanted to try the rattlesnake, but it wasn't available. Our total bill was $70. They put gratuity at 15% without telling us. That's okay, but they also charged us $1.68 for service water. Woohoo! We're back! Are you ready to see our second dome? Whoa, this is the coolest thing ever. Check this bed out. Wow. It's so nice. I promise you this is still a 5-star bed. Oh no, this bedside table has a Pac-Man blue ghost. It's even working. Oh, I see it now. It's supposed to be a table. I think we'll appreciate this more with better lighting. It's gorgeous. I love it. These egg-shaped chairs are so fun. Where should we go? I think you should backtrack. Oh no. Come back. Oh no, it's here. What should you do? I wonder how many guests can stay upstairs. Yep, it can also fit 3 guests. Overall, I counted 5 guests could stay here. This is the restroom. It's the same as the other one but with less towels. Yep, it's just the same. I don't think you'll ever forget that you're in Clear Sky Resort. You can reach me by the caravan, cross the desert like the Arab man. Up in the sky, Mom. Now we can see the stars at night. Mom is practicing her photography skills. What do you think?